Hey guys, so last day in Krakow. It's about 11 a.m. My train leaves a little before 10 to go to Budapest. You can tell by my voice. I have a sore throat. It really started bothering me last night. So before I go do anything, I am gonna go to the pharmacy and see about getting like some medicine for my throat and some more cough drops. But my throat really hurts. And then after that, I'm gonna go to JADE Castle. So it'll be fun. So this is the grounds of JADE Castle. It's very pretty. So they won't let you record or take pictures almost anywhere here unless you're like out in the garden. Like I just went in the church over here, free, but no pictures or videos. And then I paid like $6 to go into the royal staterooms, and I couldn't take pictures or videos there either, which is weird. I understand no flash photography because it can mess it up, but all the time they just do that because then they're like, oh well, people will see it and you know then they won't come. I'm not feeling too great. Took some medicine that I was just supposed to gargle, but it tasted like cough syrup and it was for my throat, so I had some, like a teaspoon, but I don't think I was supposed to do that, so I haven't been feeling the best. My stomach's been hurting. In the book, the commandant's girl, she works at JADE Castle under the commandant, and she said like from her window she can see the river. I forgot the name of it, something with W. Wiesel, something like that. And so since here's the river right here, that must mean like in the book she would have worked in this building right here. It's just really cool like seeing like all the places. Obviously I know it's not based on a true story, but just like imagining, now I can like reread this book and like know all the sights she sees. I just looked it up on my phone because I could see on my map. So this is the Wisla River, the longest river in Poland. So the Vice-Das altar, which is that's right there in the back of me, is the largest altar of its kind in Europe, and it was smuggled out before the Nazis invaded Poland, or else it probably would have been stolen. And it took quite a lot of years for it to come back because they like sent it to France and then to America, and then it was returned here to St. Mary's Basilica. And it is quite a beautiful altar. yesterday when I was looking at the paper that they have at the hostel. It says like, go here when free tours are. I thought there's one at 4 and I'm like, cool, I'll do that. Didn't see, it just said ES and not EN-ES, which most of them say. So there's only a tour in Spanish. And since I don't speak any Spanish, I wasn't gonna go on the tour. I'm not gonna be able to do a walking tour of Old Town, but that's okay. Like at least I got to do the Jewish Quarter one, which I think is what I'm more interested in anyways here. Speaking of Jewish Quarter, hey, let's right back in. Casimira's. Came here to get some food and to go to like a little photograph museum here. I'm gonna try the like flat pizza thing that's called a zappaccini or something like that. It is called a zappicank because I'm really hungry now, so I'm actually feeling better. So this is zappicanki, which is kind of I know I'm not saying that right. Zappicanki, and I got it with salami, which is pepperoni, and ketchup. Because you put a sauce on it, and everyone seemed to get ketchup, so I just got what was traditional. It's kind of like a flatbread pizza. Everyone said that you had to try it when you came here, so I'm trying it. Not bad, though I'm not crazy about the ketchup on top of it. So this museum is called the Galicia, because that's the name of southern Poland. So it focuses on southern Poland, and it was the largest Jewish community in the world here. And so this is like a whole thing about like how like Jewish culture has basically been erased. And they're all photographs from like the late 1980s to like now, and just showing like how stark difference it is that it was basically erased in Poland. This is the one solitary tombstone that remains of the Jewish cemetery in Krakow, which the Germans destroyed to build the concentration camp Plazau. This is the part that commemorates some of the Jewish resistance that happened here in Krakow. And in the book The Commandant's Girl, Jewish resistance stages a attack on the popular cafe that SS were at. And that's what this plaque is about. So that actually happened. So again, lots of history in that book. So I stopped to get a little snack since that Zappaccini, that pizza thing, wasn't really super filling since I hadn't eaten a whole lot today. I also got what's called tredelnik. It's like a kind of opened dome looking thing. It's really popular like in Eastern Europe, like I saw it in Prague here, but it's actually Hungarian. The traditional is just cinnamon, but you can get like filled with ice cream, apples. I got Nutella this time. I had it in Prague, which is cinnamon, and it was really good. It's just like a nice like little sweet snack. Cinnamon and Nutella. What could be better? Right, well, went back to the hostel after buying my train ticket. I like double, triple checked with the woman this time that I have a sleeper bed and not a couchette. I was probably being really annoying, but I was just like, look, I even pulled up a picture. I'm like, this, yes. So came to my hostel, had the free dinner, which was actually really good, especially for a free dinner. Grab my bag now. It's like a little after 9. Leaves at 53. It'll take me like 10, 15 minutes to get to the station. But yeah, I'm gonna go hit the night train to Budapest and be there around 8:30 tomorrow morning. Talk to y'all then.